bitch ass, pussy bitch. I got too many hoes, they all losing their clothes. I keep too many poles, niggas strapped up like Rambo, moving these packs out the back door.
Alright guys, how are we? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Baytech. Apologies for the lack of content recently. I've just been really busy with life, you know how it goes. Basically, what we're going to do today, it's going to be like a bit of a vlog style as such. I'm taking the diff out the Rx7 because I'm going to be upgrading to a 350Z diff. It's not bolt in, but we'll just get the welder out and make it fit for going DCT box. So that's what we're going to be getting this thing prepped for. So basically just now I've just got a standard EP3 ECU in it, and for some weird reason it starts, it shouldn't, there's like no mobilizer, so but I'll go with it anyway. It idles at like 8 AFR, so it's super rich because obviously 1000cc injectors. So yeah, so we're going to take that into the garage and we're going to take the diff out of this. But the issue we have with it is when the diff's out, that's it, you know, I can't drive it, so for the foreseeable future it'll sort of be off the road. And then we've got the MR2 hiding in the corner there, and look at this. Many of you guys remember this car. This is, so I say it used to be SciTech Racing's car, but it's my friend Robert's now. Little Myra, little turbo. It's 3-cylinder, I think it's 660cc turbo. Awesome wee cars, and I'm going to be sticking an engine in that and gearbox. You guys can come with me that as well. I'll give that, I'll film that as well so you guys can see that. But as you can see, nice cold Scottish morning. Still like -5 just now, so proper cold. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some water and throw it over the windows to try and get rid of some of the frost, and yeah, we'll do a cold start. See how it gets on. In fact, to be honest, first things first, I better move this old beast because we need to put the Rx7 straight into the garage. This old beast's been doing me proud recently, to be honest with you. I was up to Montrose yesterday getting a couple of cars moved, so she is my faithful, good old faithful. Got a heated windscreen, no bother at all. We'll just park it over there, I think, just now, out of the way, because we'll be moving cars left, right and centre, so try and miss the missus's plant pots. She'll go mad. Hit them. Just maybe I'll just hit her favourite tree instead. And of course the white Rx7. We still need to get this thing started. Yeah, I've just really not had much time for it, to be honest, but I need to get a good clean as well and then get ready for selling it. Hey lorry. Oh damn. Is this the gearbox? That looks like a gearbox to me. It's fucking huge. Oh yeah. So yeah, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unpack this and I'm going to see if I can lift the gearbox. It's a big heavy fucking thing, so hopefully I can. The reason I want to try and lift it is because it'll determine if I'm going to actually be able to try and fit it here, or if I'm going to have to go and borrow a ramp from somebody. Right guys, she's unpackaged, but it's an absolute massive gearbox. So it's really going to be interesting to see if I can lift it. I'll put a bit of cardboard in there anyway, and I'll set up this wee tripod just in case I break myself. Actually, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I was expecting it to be a lot heavier, to be honest. I think I might be able to push that up myself. Right, enough of that. Let's see if this bitch will start. Oh, she's frosty. Fuck, have I got a steering wheel? The new improved gear shifting mechanism. There we go. Nice. Make it the extended bits. Anyway, let's start this beast up. cold. That battery was down to 7 volts, so she definitely took a kick and tried to start this thing up. Obviously the dash is not going to work because Honda ain't CAN bus. But check how rich that is. That's fucking really. Just the back up there. Oh, there we go. You can see where I'm going now. See if we can wipe this. But nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. Oh, flat tyre, that would have maybe not been helping things. Let's see how it is on here. Tickety boo. No issues. No issues to report. Let it warm up actually, because it'll act as like a garage heater for me, and I'll jack the thing right up at the back, probably on the side as well actually, because I need to undo the power plant frame. So yeah, we'll get this diff whipped in. Alright guys, so yeah, we're jacked up now. I've put axle stands in, and I've went ahead and I've taken out a couple of bolts. So there's one here that goes right through here. That one is 14mm both sides, and then there's one underneath here, that one there, this bolt hole here goes right way through, and that one is also 14mm, that's them down there. So once that was done, I rattled off the centre nut. So this nut here holds the drive shaft in, and that is a 36mm socket. So whip that off naturally. I just use the impact gun because I'm kind of fortunate that I've got one, and you can give this a tap. It should be relatively not free, but yeah, you can see them moving. What I'll do now is I'll just tap these here, and so that moves side to side. That's the toe arm, and then this one now, I might be able to pull it. Yeah, there we go. And I'll just use the hammer just to lightly tap out the drive shaft. Remember, there's a spacer. Drive shaft. Let's use a screwdriver. Goes through the axle. There we have it. Take the shaft out. Right guys, as you can see up there, we've got a bolt up on here, one at each side. That's for the diff carrier, and that holds the the back end of the diff. And we have one on the side there, and then them two as well. I think they're 21mm, but we'll crack them off. But I'm thinking we're probably going to have to remove the exhaust, because if we remove the exhaust, we can remove the power plant frame, and we'll pull out the prop as well, because the prop is also bolted here, and I think they're 14mm. So basically the axles have a circlip inside. It's not a circlip as such, it's just like a C-clip, I think they call it. And then you just shove a screwdriver in here and give it a yank, and then these will pop out. Alright, so for the diff itself, like I said, get a screwdriver in there, another one in there, and actually maybe that one further up. I find you kind of need them in two different positions, and then just pull down. There we go. See, she's popped out slightly now, so I should be able to get that drive shaft out. Let's give it a whack. No point in me just doing it right now. Not showing you my struggles. There we go. One drive shaft out. So I'll just do the same the other side. Same as, mind you, I might not get to it because the exhaust's in the way. But same thing, yeah, just two screwdrivers into the drive shafts, and now we push and it'll pop out. Right guys, there we have it. Exhaust is off. So we should be able to see a lot more of what I need to remove. First things first, I'm going to whip off these bolts here. Look at that, the power plant frame didn't crack again. So that's pretty cool.
y'all niggas, man. Fuck you little pussy bitch ass, pussy bitch. I got too many hoes, they all losing their clothes. I keep too many poles. Niggas strapped up like Rambo, moving these packs out the back door. For my little bag, I go to work. Fuck all designers, fuck all your Prada. I been bought cotton in the Gucci store. I got too many hoes, they all losing their clothes. I keep too many poles. Niggas strapped up like Rambo, moving these packs out the back door. For my little bag, I go to work. Fuck all designers, fuck all your Prada. I been bought cotton in the Gucci store. Saving it up, I don't spend shit. Family know I'm the meal ticket. Why'd you asking about street shit? Like, how you about street shit? Stop all that capping, you ain't shit. Word on the street, you a fucking snitch. Word in them jails, you a fucking bitch. Don't speak on my name, you're irrelevant. Hit you with curry, I never miss. Got a Glock 40 with a hella kick. Posted on the block, revving up. Flipping your BM with covenant. Sewsbury, fuck savage.
Just like that. Right guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove them two bolts, and there's two more bolts up there somewhere. I don't know if you can see them. Where are they? Up there. So I'm sure they're 21mm. 2 seconds. Yep, 21mm. And then I'll take off the back ones, pull off the power plant frame, and then the last bit is taking the diff brace off. Oh god. That's the missus back. I wonder if I hide underneath this car, she might not see me. But I might have to give this video for a wee while. Oh, I hear Rosie. Right guys, last but not least, these ends. I think these are the same, these will be 21mm a day. Yeah, 21mm as well, so probably start off with this one, crack them two off because they're the furthest away. And then take off these. If the power plant frame doesn't fall on my head first. Fuck me, who the hell tightened that up last? Well, it was me, but you know, it's fucking crack them off first. Yeah. That's it. I'll be getting some Slack comments about my breathing as per usual. Oh, there she goes. Destruction! So power plant frame is down, and there's a diff sort of on its top braces. So now I'll crack them off. I'll get them near enough off, and then I'll put the jack underneath the diff, just so it doesn't, like, you know, like I say, fall on my head. And just for the reference, this one up here was a 17mm. There she goes. Oh, yeah, bastard! Don't pull it there, because you'll fall on my head. Right. I've already removed the bolt the other side. So there, so let's lower it in. See if the diff comes there. Oh yeah. Slowly. Easy as she goes. Ah, beautiful. Look at this. And I didn't even drop it on my face. I bet you many of you are disappointed by that. And there we have it. Diff is out. That's a crack. So this diff is a CAS two-way diff. I put it on eBay to get it set off because I'm going 350Z diff. I find that the Rx7 diffs launching on a drag strip when you're around about 700-800 horse, which is like one of my goals for the K20, yeah, they just shatter. So instead of getting 2 props made for 2 different diffs, I'll just stick 350Z in to begin with, and you know, I don't have to, it future-proofs it. But drive shafts and stuff will have to be kind of custom, so that'll get interesting how we're going to come up with that. I don't think I'm going to weld them because that's a bit sketchy, but I probably will. I won't. Well, I won't. So yeah, I'm going to figure out how I'm going to ship this off down to a guy in England. There was a guy on eBay that actually won it. I said UK postage only, and the guy that won it was from bloody Italy. And yeah, so, and then it says, well, it's going to be an extra £30 to post it, and he was like, no, I don't want to pay that. I was like, well, fuck you then. Anyway, so like, if any of you guys, any of the new guys that are watching this, fancy seeing more of this sort of stuff, I'm always playing with cars and bikes and doing sorts of projects and stuff, and a bit of fabrication and a bit of tuning. Feel free to subscribe, and you can come along with the fun, and make sure to comment and get in and call me an idiot for the stuff I'm doing. It's always good to get in touch with everyone that's sort of involved with the channel. Right guys, much love, and we'll catch you in the next vid. Cheers.